In this video, I want to show you how you can set a 200 EMA inside of TradingView. Now to do this, what we want to do is we want to head over to TradingView, sign in and go to a chart. Once you're inside of the chart, you want to click on indicators and we want to add our EMA. So let's find our EMA right here, moving average exponential, add it right here. And what we can do now is you can see the name here. Double click on if you click on it, you'll see that it selects the blue one. So for me, it's the blue one. So you can double click on it. And in here, you want to go to inputs and you want to type in 200. Once you press OK, you'll see it will now change and it will be a 200 EMA. So this is the easiest way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.